Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and let's revisit this concept of convex and concave. Obviously, what I have here is I have two bones. I have a bone with a convex end. As you guys can see, there's some significant vaulting, as we talked about. The word convex means vaulted. And I have a concave bone. As you can see, this bone has significant hollowing to it. So when I am a bone that is a convex end of a joint, remember, I'm going to roll and slide in the opposite directions. Now, that's extremely important because if we think about it, what we want this joint to do is when it moves, we want that joint to be able to not dislocate. We want that joint to stay together. So the roll slide mechanism, the roll slide concept is very important, because if we had pure rolling and no sliding, what would happen is that. So you see exactly what happens there. All roll, no slide. The joint dislocates. Same thing if the joint is in this position and I want to move it to a fully extended or straight position, all roll, no slide does that. That's a very bad situation. So what needs to happen is I need to have rolling and sliding. So as we see with this example, if my knee is at a 90-degree angle, which approximately this is, and I'm going to stand up and make my knee straight, my femur is going to move anteriorly towards the anterior direction. The convex end, my femur, is going to roll anterior but slide posterior. And I think you can see that. I'm going to point out for you. So rolling anterior, sliding posterior. Okay? So anterior roll, posterior slide. And that's exactly how that joint stays in place. Now, if I am a concave surface, my roll and slide are going to be in the same direction. Okay? So now I'm a tibia rolling around, okay, and sliding at the same time. Again, pure roll is going to look like this. We don't want that. That's no good. That's going to dislocate a knee joint. Pure slide is going to look like this. Again, not good for a knee joint. Roll and slide together in the same direction. That's going to be good for my knee joint. So now if I'm a tibia or a shin bone with a concave surface rolling on a convex surface, let's look exactly what's happening here. I'm rolling and sliding around the convex surface. So we have a roll and a slide happening at the same time. I hope that clears things up a little bit as we get into some other joints, such as the shoulder, such as the elbow, the wrist, the hand, the fingers, things like that. It'll get a little more complicated, but the knee joint is a nice one to start off with because it's a nice big joint, and you can definitely see that roll and slide mechanism.